Hello dear students, in this video we are going to cover the sum program in GNU Prolog. In previous video we have already covered the different operators description. If you haven't seen this video yet, please check it for understanding the different operators in Prolog. So for starting with the sum program, first of all you have to open a notepad file. So just open a notepad file. Here we are writing the code actually, and then we are calling in it in the GNU Prolog, and then we will execute it. So for understanding the sum program, first of all we need to understand how to proceed it. For this I am writing a function here, sum uh, and xy. Here I am taking xy as two variables. Here this x and y. X is the first number and y is the second number, of which I want the sum. And sum is like a function, and these colon and hyphen is used to define a role. So what I am actually trying to do with this is defining the role of adding the two numbers actually. This is for defining the rule. So I am defining the rule to add the two numbers x and y. Here x and y numbers are taken from the user in the console window actually. So this is the rule. So I am going to define this. So actually I need to mainly add the two numbers. So here I am writing x plus y, but here I need to store them this result x plus y. Like in C we actually do that, we take C is equal to a plus b, or result is equal to a plus b, or sum is equal to a plus b. So this in Prolog we are writing equal to here as is. So is for equal to, and I am taking a variable. Here I can take any variable in which I want to store the result of x plus y. So what I am actually doing, I am storing x plus y, the result, in some variable. Here I have taken the variable s. So what this statement, this line mean is that x plus y value is automatically stored into this. After that I need to print the result also now. So what I will write here, as we have discussed in our first program, that to print the something we will use write. So write s and then period. Period is to tell that the program has ended, and then we can execute it further. So here I am again repeating that, here first of all I defined the rule to add the two numbers, and then I have taken two variables x and y and stored them in s, and then finally I'll print the result and ended the program. So now I will save it. So it's necessary to check that how I am going to save it. You can name anything file. Here I have taken sum because our program is of sum, and then I am writing sum.pl. We have to save the file with .pl extension and all files. So when you do this thing, you see that a shortcut icon is made. So here you can see this shortcut icon is appeared. So just click on it. I'll open the notepad file and the second file in the same pane, so you can see easily. So here you can see that this is the code which we have written. So, and when I open the console, you can see here that it says 2 lines read and it this much of time. That means the program is already compiled. So there is no need to compile it again and anything writing. We simply need to execute. So for execution, what I'm trying to do is I'm passing the two values. The two values are x and y. The user will enter the value of x and y, but I have to write it in the form of function. Here I am taking the function as sum. So here I'll write as sum and the two numbers of which I want to take the sum. For example, I'll take 100 and 999, and after that I'll insert a period and just enter. So you can see the sum of these number will be printed. Okay, we can try for other value also. Uh, so here I am taking 1, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 8, 7 and then period. Then you can see the output will be printed. So this is basically the sum program. It's quite simple, and please try to do it for other arithmetic operators also. They are very simple to do, and thank you.